Uy! Alam mo bang hindi requirement na ikaw ay maghirap para lamang gumastos ng napakaraming regalo para sa ibang tao? Huwag mo na masyadong isipin yung ano naman ang sasabihin nila. Pasko naman ngayon, mababawi ko rin naman. Let's be honest, ilang taon na the reason why you're trapped and the reason why you're stuck in life for so many years is because of that mindset. Once a year, inuubos mo lahat ng pinagpaguran mo para lang sa sasabihin ng ibang tao or maybe looking for the validation that they're gonna give you. Huwag mo nang gawin yun sa sarili mo. I'm not saying na huwag ka magregalo at huwag ka magbigay. Pero wag ubos-ubos biyaya. Pwede naman na magbigay ka pa rin, pero yung within the budget, yung hindi ka masyadong masasaktan, at yung hindi mo pa kailangan isipin paano mo babawiin lahat ng yan. Especially kung yung income mo ay limited ngayon. Again, the spirit of Christmas is great, but make sure that you don't suffer in the process. At the end of the day, the Christmas season is meant to be filled with so much joy. So for as long as you have peace and joy, then enjoy this season of Christmas. Pero kapag yan na ang tinanggal sa iyong buhay, I'm telling you, it's not worth it.